What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frame by Frame-Greg, and today I'm doing a viral food challenge versus healthy food challenge. And today we're doing the plant-based superfood, tempeh, I guess. It has 12 grams of protein per serving and 4 grams of fiber. Protein helps you build muscle, and fiber helps you feel more full after you finish eating. So we're gonna try this out, and I already checked out the ingredients before I bought it. It's made from soybeans and all natural ingredients, natural smoke flavor. Um, Most of these ingredients are natural. It's not a lot of processed ingredients in here. So basically, it's soybeans with like a smoky bacon flavor, and it says try it as a bacon alternative on breakfast sandwiches or in wedge salads. So pretty much it's gonna be my replacement for bacon. So moving forward, I'm not gonna be eating bacon anymore. So let's get into it, y'all. I'm gonna see how it smells, y'all. I wouldn't really say it smells like bacon, but it smells like something off the grill. I'm gonna probably fold this in half and see if it breaks. Like I kind of usually do with my bacon. Sometimes I'll just cut it in half. Okay. Alright, so I'll get in there for about a minute and flip it. Okay, it kind of looks crispy. Maybe I left it too long. Okay, that took about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Mm. I mean, it's not bad, so I want to spit it out, but it definitely doesn't taste exactly like bacon. But I definitely could try this again, probably with maybe a different sauce or something. So if y'all have tried this before, then let me know some different things I could probably try with it, like maybe some seasoning or sauce. I don't know, but it's not bad. I could see myself finishing this, but it definitely probably will have to be with something else. But by itself, it's not bad. And next, we're trying the spicy chicken leg. Looks like some Popeyes, right? Or churches, maybe. It's not bad, but I definitely won't finish this. Okay, and the spicy flavor kind of comes in, and it kind of has like this ice cream on the inside, but I don't really know what the flavor is. So all these ingredients on here is just crazy. Well, I'll see y'all on the next video. Let me know if y'all like these food related videos, and I'll keep on doing some different stuff and trying some more healthy food. So I'll see y'all next time.